You have a finite vocabulary. You know a finite set of grammar rules. So how is it that you can produce an infinite number of different sentences? There is a single trick hiding inside your grammar, and linguists call it recursion. Watch it happen. Start with a simple sentence. The cat. Now insert a relative clause. The cat that chased the mouse. Still a perfectly good sentence. But notice, nothing stops us from doing the same trick again. The cat that chased the mouse that ate the cheese. And again. That sat on the mat that belonged to the farmer. You can keep going. Forever. There is no longest sentence in English. What lets us do that? A grammar rule that refers to itself. Roughly, a noun phrase can be a noun phrase plus a relative clause. Look at what's on the left of that arrow. Now look at what's on the right. The thing we're defining appears inside its own definition. That is recursion. One rule invoked inside itself, as many times as you want. Draw one of these sentences as a syntax tree, and you can see the structure directly. A sentence contains a noun phrase that contains another sentence that contains another noun phrase. The tree is self-similar. It has smaller copies of itself inside it, like a fractal. That nesting is the visible fingerprint of the rule at work. Here's why linguists care. A bee's waggle dance has vocabulary, but it cannot nest. Birdsong has sequences, but no embedding. As far as we can tell, this recursive capacity, slotting one full thought inside another without limit, is a signature of human language. Noam Chomsky argued it's what makes our language different in kind, not just degree. Your turn. Which of these sentences is recursive? Meaning it has a clause nested inside another clause. It's C. A full clause, Maya wrote about the city where she grew up, is embedded inside the noun phrase, and inside that clause there's another embedded clause. Clauses within clauses. The others are long, but they're just joined, not nested. Finite vocabulary. Finite rules. One rule that refers to itself. Out the other end, an infinite, open-ended system of expression. That is what recursion buys you.